With the pandemic, financial collapse, racial tensions that we've endured during this landmark year marked 2020, it seems like the news is always negative. And if you want, you could entirely focus on the negative and negativity. And perhaps it's necessary to some degree to be and to understand negativity so that we can have some compassion for those people who have to do without. Because as a people, we are compassionate at our core. And as we approach the holidays, a season of hope, joy, and one that's generally celebratory, we should be reminded that there are those that are in need. We must reach out our hands to those with less, to those who are ill, and to those that are alone. But I'd like to spend a little bit of time talking about the positivity, the things that I'm thankful for, even in the middle of this pandemic. First, I'm appreciative for the groundswell of community involvement over the last 9 months. We've seen donations of PPE, donations of food cards, donation of time, food donations themselves, the Blue Delivery Team, and groups like that was able to provide food and services to those who are older and those who are disabled. We've seen food and deliveries being brought to those who are our essential workers, who are our healthcare workers and our first responders. I'm also thankful for the more family time that we've had this year, whether that's from or as a result of working at home or remote learning or the lockdown. We've had family time. We've had family dinners. We haven't had that in years. I'm appreciative of the surroundings that we have around us, the fact that we've had an opportunity to go out and enjoy the outdoors, our parks, our community services. We've had less driving this year. We've been able to result in less carbon emissions, which means that our air is cleaner and our water is cleaner. And for those that really find the environment to be important, this has actually been a bonus. We've had a newfound appreciation for our essential workers, our healthcare workers, and our first responders. We never knew how many people were involved and responsible for contributing to our normal daily life, to our health, and to our safety. We have an appreciation for how important it is, how lucky we are to be living in a connected world. Compare that to what it must have been like 100 years ago during the Spanish flu. They didn't have any of that. We're able to shop, connect with others, talk to others. We're able to stay culturally connected. We're entertained, we're able to work, we're able to play. That all wasn't available 100 years ago. And finally, I'm appreciative for science. That the fact is that we live in a world today where we have a real chance to beat this virus and to be able to return all of us to a sense of normalcy we've not enjoyed in months. So when I think of the things that we had to give up this year, the sacrifices that we've had to make in this banner year 2020, I'm reminded of the words of Martin Luther King. We must accept finite disappointment, but never give up infinite hope. So while I wish the very best from my family to yours on this holiday season and for a happy holiday and a happy new year, I wish the best for everybody in this season of infinite hope.